One of the major secrets to being successful in your life and attracting all your heart's desires is having the ability to bypass your conscious mind so that you can access the immense powers of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind uses approximately 90% of your total mind power as opposed to the 10% of your brain that you utilize in your normal daily waking state. The subconscious mind is incredibly powerful and will accept any truth or image that you submit to it without question, and will then act on your instructions and ultimately bring your vibration into complete harmony with everything that you desire. This enables everything that you wish to manifest into your life so that you can experience them in full. In order for you to attract your desires into your life, you have to know precisely what you want and how to ask for it. But most importantly, you have to vibrate in harmony with your desires by believing that you have everything you desire right now. To vibrate in harmony with all that you want, you have to think positively. In other words, you have to think in terms that all that you desire already exists in your life, and you have to feel as though you are already experiencing and enjoying those desires. This is where the power of positive affirmations comes into play. The conscious and rational mind will always work to reject anything that doesn't appear to be logical, attainable, or to be a reality. It doesn't know, at a conscious level, that you genuinely are infinitely powerful and capable of realizing your desires and living a life that you've dreamed of. Therefore, your conscious mind will always reject those things that it doesn't agree with and will also block your wishes accordingly. Fortunately, as your subconscious mind is a powerful tool, much more so than your conscious mind, all you need to do is use the power of positive thinking to impress our greatest wishes and heart's desires onto the subconscious mind. Doing this will cause you to know, subconsciously, that your desires already exist in your life. In turn, this will cause you to vibrate in harmony with your desire and will ultimately appear in your life as reality. What are positive affirmations? Daily positive affirmations are nothing more than positive statements that declare specific goals as if they have already happened. While they may sound simple, they are incredibly powerful mantras that can have a profound effect both the conscious and subconscious mind, as well as on the actions that you take to achieve the life that you desire. Why you should use daily affirmations. We are surrounded every day by negative messages from the world around us. The media, our family, and even well-meaning friends can impose limiting beliefs on you that greatly diminish our belief that anything is possible. These limiting beliefs are continually repeated to us throughout our childhood and well into adulthood, and ultimately how we end up defining ourselves and who we are and what we can accomplish. Unfortunately, we end up internalizing the negative messages that we are constantly bombarded with, and they become our truth. The truths that are formed with these limited beliefs end up holding us back from our hopes, dreams, and goals and keep us from stepping into our true potential. It should really come as no surprise when your physical reality matches these limiting beliefs, because our external world is always a reflection of our inner world. Willpower isn't enough to create the change in your life that you seek. When you have negative self-talk and when you are going through your life with limiting beliefs, such as "I don't deserve it," that's just the way it is. The negativity ends up canceling out any action or effort that you make every time. To create the change in your life that you desire, you have to let go of the negative thoughts and images that you associate with your life, and fill your mind with new ideas that are positive, and that will support you in creating the change you desire. Daily positive affirmations work to replace these old limiting beliefs, pessimistic thoughts, and negative self-talk with positive statements that affirm who you want to be and what you want to experience in your life. How affirmations work. When you repeat an affirmation over and over again, it begins to change the way that you think as well as what you believe is possible. Energetically repeating affirmations raises your vibration out to the universe so that you become attractive to what you desire to draw into your life. Affirmations will expand your thinking so that you begin to believe that anything is possible. When you start to think that something is possible, the chances are higher that you will proceed with certainty and confidence, not let obstacles set you back, and you will more likely look for and find creative solutions to achieve the outcome that you desire ultimately. What you talk and think about the most, as well as the kind of beliefs you hold on to, is what you ultimately attract in your life. Positive thinking attracts positive experiences and outcomes, while negativity attracts more negativity. While there are already a plethora of resources and means that are available right now to help you achieve your goals, when we affirm that something isn't possible or allow the negative thinking to take over our minds, we end up shutting ourselves off from those resources and means that can make our dreams and desires come true. When our minds are full of negative thoughts, we simply aren't able to see the opportunities in front of us, and we don't recognize the means of creating the changes in our life that we desire. On the other hand, when we use positive affirmations to affirm the outcomes that we desire, over and over again, we are training our minds to believe that it is possible. When you can open yourself up to what is possible, then your subconscious mind gets to work to find the creative solutions and the means for achieving your dreams, goals, and all that you desire in your life. How to use affirmations. Thousands of people use affirmations daily to manifest their desires and obtain all that they've dreamed in life. Many of these people are able to find success, but far more never see the results from their daily practice. This isn't to say that affirmations don't work, but instead, they aren't being used correctly. You have to understand that positive affirmations aren't about the words that you say or the phrases that you repeat, but instead, they are about the idea that those words convey, as well as about the feeling you get from repeating the phrases. In order for your affirmations to work, you need to feel good while thinking or repeating them. This is the basic principle behind the law of attraction. If you don't feel positive emotions while repeating the statement, then it isn't the right affirmation for you. Here are some things to keep in mind when using positive affirmations to attract your desires. You must believe. If you want to ensure that your affirmations will work, you have to believe in them. Affirmations that are half-hearted or empty will never work for you. You need to genuinely believe in the statement that you are repeating if you want it to work. For example, if you are repeating to yourself that you are successful, but you don't really feel it, you need to consider changing your affirmation. Instead, you can state in your statement that you are capable of being successful in starting, and then shift your affirmation to state that you are successful once you start to believe it. Try to start with a statement that allows you to know that you are perfectly capable of manifesting your desires. Once you begin to honestly believe that it is possible, then you will begin to take the actions to prove to yourself that you are right. Make it personal. Take some time to write down the negative thoughts that are floating around in your mind currently. Then carefully examine each of the negative thoughts and write down a positive statement against that negative belief. By using self-generated content that is specific to your particular problem will help you to better connect with the affirmation. When you write down your affirmations, you want to make sure that you start with the phrase, "I am," to make it more meaningful. Make it memorable. When you are creating your positive affirmation to combat your negative beliefs, you want to make sure that they are simple, short, and direct. These qualities will make the affirmation more memorable and likable. Keeping your affirmations short and straightforward, making them much easier to say as well as to remember. You can get an added punch to your mantras and make them more appealing by making them catchy. Keep them positive and present tense. When it comes to creating positive affirmations that are effective, you have to make sure that they focus on what you want to achieve instead of what you don't want. Make sure you avoid using negative statements. Positive affirmations are much more powerful and have a better clarity of purpose. It is also essential to frame your affirmations in the present tense as if the situation you are affirming is already happening. Repeat daily. When you first speak your affirmation, it may seem utterly unbelievable to you. However, by following a daily routine of repeating the statement, you can instill the power of positive thinking into your subconscious mind. This allows your mind to become more open and receptive to the new information that you are feeding it. As you move through the days, your confidence starts to build, and you are better able to direct your thoughts toward achieving your goal. To make the most out of your positive affirmations, repeat them for 5 minutes, at least 2 to 3 times a day. Energize your affirmations. Having passion, excitement, and energy around your affirmation will get you into a highly positive vibe and make you believe you are already living it. Be happy and do what your heart desires if you want your aspirations to come true. Adding strong emotions to your affirmations will raise their intent to an entirely new level. Visualize. Incorporate creative visualization into your affirmation practice. This will make your affirmations seem more real and encourage you to take immediate action. Feel it, taste it, hear it, see it, smell it. Engage entirely with your vision and affirmation and sense every detail of the desire that you wish to manifest. Doing this will help to encourage you to move forward and manifest the reality you desire. Conclusion. The more you can infuse every part of your day with positive affirmations, the more they will become an automatic part of your thinking. You will start to believe, with certainty, that your goals are indeed happening and you will take the necessary action to achieve them. When you can go forward with this kind of confidence, the universe will meet you more than halfway to help you manifest your desires. When positive affirmations are used daily, they can help you create the rapid and positive changes that you are looking to develop in virtually every aspect of your life. So start using positive affirmations in your daily life today and be amazed at how quickly you can begin to attract the love, appreciation, success, and abundance that you have always desired.